Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on the application of TikTok. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of TikTok and you will enter. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. After that you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your